stood firm, I became the problem. Oh, I see why. I thought that I came to a platform where we will express ourselves and take power from these people and express it in dispensing leadership. Only to come and find a group of people who are looking for money at every cost, and I am disgusted at it. I came here because I said, well, let me go and see if I can get like-minds. Young people, especially the young ones that are looking. Look at, we have depleted the energy in the Obidient movement. We are pretending. If we go to a state like this, we'll win this election. The trading is already going on in Edo State to sell it to. The same way they traded in Bayelsa. But I stood firm and will continue to stand firm. Where is the Obidient movement? Where are they? They are all tired of what they are seeing. Because the leaders are keeping quiet. Everybody wants to be a good face. How do you expect NLC to come and contest strong spread behind their party? Everybody wants to be yes sir. Leaders of Labour Party. Me, there's Eradiri. I don't know how to pretend over issues. I came here to be part of the party that I believe that we can take this power. But working together, exuding the principles that endear the Obidient movement. There are a lot of people that are looking up to this party. You don't see them. But they felt that if you go to the Labour Party, you will find integrity, you will find capacity and competence, especially integrity. It's nowhere to be found. I mean, can we really pretend? That is the ingredients that drag Nigerians to support us. So if anybody think that because your name is Labour Party, you win election, you're joking. Labour Party gave me agents that were PDP members. Hello, sir. Because they had meetings and were settled to compromise the election. But let me say something. We are not ready. We are talking about preparing for election. They are in government house. Collecting money and shamelessly go on national TV. Maybe my time is up, so we can just quickly. Way forward. I think that the crisis going on needs to be resolved. Edo State, I'm a stakeholder. I graduated from the University of Benin. My wife is from Auchi in Edo State. So I am a stakeholder in Edo State, and that's why I'm concerned about Edo State. The fund money they're talking about, 30 million, I think that the money is too much. I paid 25 million in Bayelsa. All other candidates got their form 15 million. So from the word go, I was already at disadvantage. They said they would return the 10 million. I had forgotten it before, but I decided I need the money. So I have written to the party to look at it. Well, just like I said, the time, I'm not a man who wants to put 2 minutes. I don't know if to express myself. But the little I have, let's wait and see how this meeting will move on. I have expressed my disappointment in it. People are looking at us. They are not happy about the way things are done. We need to start to correct it if we must make progress in the forthcoming election. As I'm here, if opportunity arises, I will talk again. There are too many things. Thank you.